Alright guys, what's up? It's me, Marston G, Mr. Drones, and I had to run out to Jersey today to take care of an errand, and on the way back I stopped at this park here. I think it's Arthur Kill Park in Staten Island, just to do take a little walk and maybe find a spot to fly. And you know what? I think I found a gem. This place is beautiful, man. It's got a bunch of little hiking trails. It's got that baseball field, and that soccer field that's pretty empty. As you guys could see, there's a bunch of trees all around, so you know, just some close proximity flying and an open field to do whatever you want. So I'm gonna get my baby hawk and go for a flight. Hey guys, so this is the field. Let's go take a flight. Beautiful, beautiful day. A couple of days into May and it turned into summer. From winter to summer, out of nowhere. Yay, finally. Winter is over. I am so glad. I couldn't wait. So here we go. Let's plug in. Get the right channel on. Make sure we have BBHR on at all times. Make sure your controller works. Put the DVR on. And here we go. All right, guys, it's time to say goodbye. Ah! All right, guys, it's time to say goodbye to this spot, but we'll be back. It's definitely an awesome spot, and I just came to the realization that you can't just fly the same spot as I've been doing. As you know, I've been flying my spot by my house all the time, kind of getting bored of it, and I flew this place today, and it's like I'm reborn. It's a totally different experience. I got to use the tree line, as you guys saw. Didn't hit any gaps yet. A little hesitant with that because I don't want to destroy my quad. It's the only one I have right now, but definitely a nice place. Next time I want to work the trees a little more and find a few gaps. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what I could do to make it better. Hit that like button or the dislike button, but make sure you subscribe. I'm Mr. Dronez, and until next time, I'm out.